You're working as a senior professional in an IT company or a manufacturing company or the CEO of the company, which is based in the Pune East region, and you always have a dream life to show the world that you have arrived. One of the way to it is obviously owning a great asset. And at the same time, the second way is actually focusing on the things that you have never achieved throughout your career. For example, most of us who climb the ladder, they think that the fitness is one of the things we should be focusing on. Second, obviously when we become healthy, we would like to eat healthy. So obviously good food we should have close by. And the third important thing is obviously the better relationships. So for better relationships, we search for a better place where we can celebrate memories and moments together. Excellence Farms is the company into real estate from last 15 years. Understanding your challenges as the C-suite person who is climbing the ladder, we are coming up with one solution which can give solution to all your current points and which can also make your profitable asset. That's Excellence Farms coming up with a project called Shaantivan, which is exclusively CEO retreat weekend homes, and these are in the Pune East region. In today's video, I am going to elaborate more about where this project is, how the configuration